Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Essence of the Void in Hytale. Essence of the Void is pretty easy to get. It's so easy that even just starting out as a newbie, you have the power to get it. To get them, simply just wait for nighttime to come, and enemies will start to spawn around you. Mostly these crawling abominations, and occasionally, a very strong enemy wielding a huge sword. These guys specifically can drop 6 Essence of the Void. Do be careful though, because even if these guys are spawning in the starting area, they're still a worthy adversary. I highly suggest blocking every now and again with your sword, or preferably your shield, when you take these guys on. The crawling ones could come as an entire group, so do take caution. Now what can you use Essence of the Void for? Well, they are used for the best piece of armor in the game, the Mithril set piece. It can be used for the Mithril helmet, the kiras, the gauntlets, and the boots, and quite surprisingly, it's not required by the shield. And that's how to get Essence of the Void in Hytale.